Hello dear friends, my name is Heine. I am an entrepreneur, business owner and content creator from Belgium. I create videos, photos, illustrations and music. My work has been published and exhibited worldwide. I have also worked in the marketing and communication industries for more than a decade. In this video, I would like to recommend and talk about Narola Infotech, a web design and development company based in India. I have had the pleasure to work with them for my personal projects, but also for other businesses and clients. Narola Infotech is a team of innovative, professional, reliable, fast and passionate web designers and developers. They also do software development, web application, CMS development, static, dynamic and blogging website development, digital marketing and much more. I hired them to create my website 3 years ago. I had a very old-fashioned website and their work and contribution really helped me to improve my digital presence. I am now contacting them regularly to do some updates. I also hired them to create the websites of other clients and businesses which somehow were similar to mine in the form but with different content. My personal website, thanks to their contribution, is now a very trendy, beautiful and fully responsive website. There is a lot of content, it's dynamic, it's available in 3 languages. The search engine optimization is quite good. One of the features I like the most is that the content I post on my social networks is automatically shared on the homepage of my website. I think it's really cool. I was truly happy with the results. They did an amazing job and they really helped me to increase my presence online and to spread my work around the world. They were always able to cope with the different time-consuming tasks I sent them on a daily basis. Honestly, I was truly impressed by how fast and how quickly they responded to all my emails and requests. I had the feeling that everything I asked for was possible. Their technical skills are really advanced. They literally have no limits in what they do. During the working progress, I really liked the fact that they sent every day an email mentioning the status of the project, how much work they had completed and how much work was left. This is really nice and appreciated. They always gave me a time and price estimation for all the tasks I sent them. So there was no surprise. This is really something you like as a client. And the total price and rates for the projects I gave them was always fair and affordable. Their communication skills are also very good because they understood all my instructions and they even came with interesting suggestions. I strongly recommend you to hire them if you are looking for serious and honest web designers and developers. They master WordPress, Java, Drupal, Python, PHP, Magento systems and much more. I actually found them by chance on freelancer.com. As I said, I had an old-fashioned website and I needed someone to improve it. I hired them to create a brand new trendy website. It's now completely finished and looking awesome. I invite you to visit it at www.benheine.com. Basically, I told them what I wanted. They proposed me a model and we started to work on it. Then I sent them all my content, photos, videos, texts, and they adapted and customized this model to all my needs and requests. Most of the time, along with my emails and requests, I sent them visual instructions and notes. They were always able to fully understand my requests. Thanks to the system on freelancer.com, I could track how much time they spent on each task I sent them, but really I was so confident from the beginning that I didn't need to verify how much time and how efficient they were for each task. The job was always done on time and really well. The employees I have been working with at Narola Infotech are Urvesh, Hitesh and Molik. I would really like to thank them again for their good work and their investment on my projects and my website. I truly wish them the best. They are very friendly people and they are a growing company. You will find their website and contact info in the description of this video. I would like to invite you to discover my other videos and content in this channel. I would like to ask you also to subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much and bye bye.